Turio gukugu mwena wa Kimende muthenya wa keri kuria mihango ya gukorwo ya guthikuria andu aria maratuika marakorirwo magithikwo ni tiri hari oguo thutha wakwa niyo iragithie na mbere na ndiria guku matura-ini ndacemania na muthuri ukiri haha ni ikangitie tumiaka ndirenda akorwo agitutara tondu ni ari na utaramu munene muno wa wegie bara ino anona uria maundu makihana miene ino ya rugongo no guo niguo ndirenda akorwo agitutariria sasa.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
My name is George Kuria Wanjao. They call me engineer.
Engineer.
And that is my profession.
Okay.
I do buildings designs, architectural, structural, actual construction, and give you the keys.
Okay.
That is my profession. Nevertheless, I was born here around 60 years ago. So I have the history of this area. I have the history of this road, and some things which are happening right now are disturbing.
Okay, why? Why are they disturbing?
Because the activities that are ongoing right now, yes, they are doing the right thing, because we are supposed to get the people who we are suspecting are buried here in this mud. We are supposed to get them, and we are also supposed to clear the road so that the people who are living downstream and those who are living at the upper end, they can interact and go around their businesses as usual.
Yes.
Nevertheless, on this particular road, as you can see it behind us, if we are walking home as we were made to believe that the people that we are looking for could have buried down here, they were not walking along this upstream area. So we expect and suspect that they were walking at the lower end of the road, because that is where it was passable and that is where we suspect that they were passing on. Nevertheless, logically, you ask yourself, if a landslide would come from the upper end coming downward, it will push you off the road. That is logical, and every reasonable mind can reason that. Now, we are asking ourselves, because now we are excavating from the road and putting the soil downstream, are we not putting more heap of soil on the people that we are supposed to retrieve? Now, it is just suspicion. I'm not saying that that is how it is, but logically, you look at what is happening. Because if you're taking the soil from the road where the landslide came and blocked, and you are putting it off the road, and that is where you expect that the landslide came from the upper end, and it came and pushed whoever was walking along the road. So logically, we expect that person to be pushed outside the road. And so, in my understanding or in my simple reasoning, we should be excavating from that end to this end. If we are not doing that, we have the police sniffer dogs. If we don't have, we can ask for Israel to give us, so that they can come and smell where our beloved are, so that we do the right thing at the right time. Nevertheless, the governor was here. The area MP was here. I believe also the area MCA was here. You can't have that big office and that big name, and then you are not logically reasoning on whatever you're doing. Yes.
Okay, what's your take? What do you think they should be doing?
Right now, this is the third day, I think, of this issue. If you don't have a Kenyan police dog to sniff and tell us where our loved ones are, let us ask for one from Israel.
But they're already here. Have you seen them?
Yes. What are they doing?
They're doing the work.
Yes. We wanted to see the results. You cannot tell us that somebody is working 1, 2, 3 days and we don't have the results. That means that you don't have a strategy. You don't know what you're doing. Yes. If you are worth your salt, you know why you are there. If we were clearing the road, we could be clearing the road. That is the way. Looking for human life that we are not sure of what has happened, that should be the first target. So go to that. The other will follow. We will clear the road later, after seeing that we have seen all our beloved ones. Because right now, we cannot account for them. You are calling them on phone, they are not answering the phone. What do you expect is going? If you call them, they are not answering. 1, 2, 3 days. And they are just my neighbors here. They live just around.
Do you know any of them?
Well, I don't want to put the names in the public here, because me, I'm an administrator. And I know law, so I don't want to go into restricted grounds. Yes. But I have a neighbor who is looking for his loved one, is missing, and another one around here, and another one around here. So I have 3 neighbors who are here expecting to find their loved ones. Yes.
One word to the government.
Yes. One word to the government. Well, the government is ours, because whatever the case, it is our government. Ruto is my president. Rigathi Gachagua is my deputy president. Wamatangi is my governor. The area MP is my MP. The area MCA is my MCA, because he is the one who is in office right now. And we must respect each and every office that is established in any given time. Nevertheless, in every public activity, we should have public participation. Because right now, these landslides are happening here because the Chinese contractor who came here, he interfered with the platonic rock around here when he was doing his excavations. Where we are standing right now, we have a slaughterhouse up here. Where do they dispose the water? And you know, a slaughterhouse uses a lot of water each and every day. This slaughterhouse has been working for more than 10 years. Where has that water been going for all those 10 years?
Where?
We just up here. Okay, along the tarmac road, directly where we are, we have a slaughterhouse up here. Okay. And my question is, where have they been disposing their water for over 10 years? That water has been seeping in the ground. Plus these heavy rains, it becomes excessive and it has to give way. And no wonder you can find even the other areas landsliding. It can also happen. We also have a river up here called Ruwerwa Fazi River. Now that river now has a lot of water, plus the water in the slaughterhouse, plus the heavy rains. So this area here can downslide at any time. We are also at risk where we are right now because it can slide. We have a lot of water upstairs. So what do? Do the necessary. In whatever case the government is doing, because you have told me to talk to the government, we should be having a geological survey of this area for every activity that we are doing. And for every activity that is happening in excavations and movement of soil, we should be having a geological survey and geological report of the same. At the same time, we should have experts who are officiating the work that is going on here, because right now it is as if we are doing just moving the dominoes. We should be having a target, a command center that is giving direction. We should be having public participation. People like
tried to give your opinion and then they have not received.
I will give him because this is the first forum that I'm getting. I'm a contractor in Nairobi. I live here. I was born here, educated here. All these people are my neighbors and I know them. And I had to rush here so that I give him my moral support. Yes.
That's quite incredible. Yes. Okay, you have talked to us. There are so many people who are watching us. They are Kikuyus. Maybe you can tell them using your mother tongue. I know you are a Kikuyu.
Niĩ njiarĩirwo gũkũ na ndĩ Mũgĩkũyũ na thomeire gũkũ na gũkũ nĩ gwitũ. No twĩna ciana citũ na arata aitũ kũratuĩka nĩ marathikirwo nĩ tĩri ũyũ. Hwaĩ-inĩ makiumĩra wĩra Kimende. Kimende ĩ haha rũgongo. Ĩno nĩ Matathia. Ĩrĩa nĩ Kabunge na hau mbere he escarpment. Na rĩu makiumĩra wĩra gũkũ torĩa o andũ othe mathiaga gũthũkũma rĩ, mwanake ũmwe akĩhũrĩrwo thimũ, arũgama gũthikĩrĩria thimũ rĩ, arĩa marĩ mbere yake rĩ, tĩri ũgĩikũrũka na ũkĩmahobanĩria. Na nĩkĩo ndĩrauga atĩrĩrĩ, barabara ĩno ndĩrageragwo mwena ũyũ wa rũgongo, ĩrageragwo mwena wa kĩanda, tondũ mwena wa rũgongo hena maĩ marathereraga ho, ndũngĩinũka ũkĩrangaga maĩ marageraga mwena wa kĩanda, na makĩgera mwena wa kĩanda rĩ, angĩkorwo ituĩka nĩ rĩoka rĩ, rĩngĩ gũtindĩka rĩkweherie bara. Rĩtingĩgũtiga bara, rĩngĩ gũtindĩka rĩkweherie bara. No thaa ici wona twacũthĩrĩria rĩ, tondũ ona ithuĩ gatagatĩ ka matũ maitũ hena hakiri na twĩna maitho nĩ tũrona. Thaa ici tũrona kĩragita kĩraruta tĩri bara, gĩgĩtwaraga mwena, gĩkaruta bara, gĩgĩtwaraga mwena. Angĩkorwo kĩraruta gĩkĩigagĩrĩra mũndũ ũcio,
no gũthiĩ na mbere kũmũthika.
No gũthiĩ na mbere kũmũthika. Nĩkĩo ndĩrauga atĩrĩrĩ, angĩkorwo tũtirĩ na sniffer dogs cia borithi rĩ, ciũke cinungĩre cimenye haha nĩho harĩ mũndũ rĩ, nĩ twĩtie sniffer dogs kuma Israel. Nĩ megũka na mũtũnengere, na yanungĩra nĩ kũmenya mũndũ ũmwe haha na ũrĩa ũngĩ haha na ũrĩa ũngĩ harĩa. No rĩu twaruta wĩra tũhingĩte maitho rĩ, nĩkĩ tũreka? ira governor ona we governor njiriria gwiciria ni tuthie haria turamenya uria tureka tondu riu ri akona kumuvutiri na twina njira tungimenya mundu haha na uri ungi haha na uri ungi haha tutithie twambe tuoe our loved ones tumahe gitio kiao kia mwisho barabara ni tugacoka kumitheria hindi iyo ingi. That is my point to the government. And this goes to the governor, to the senator, and whoever, even the MCA, Mr. Nyoto. Yes.
Wow. I love you, so knowledgeable. Na uge waku ni urafatarika.
Thank you.
Ni na riu heanite opinion yuguo. Ero ni joni mugo sambaza this video at least nigetha ikorwo gikinyira atongoria aitu aria othe muthuri uyu akora akiuga ani twacokia ngatho muno makiria ni gwitikira kwaraniria na ithue. Ni ndona ni uhigiri horo wa architecture he mundu ngienda gukuhe wira kana already merita no ndona wira no
you know in engineering and in architecture we do not retire, and I take this opportunity to say hi to all my fellow engineers, all my fellow architects, all my fellow contractors. We work with them in Nairobi and they are good. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Aya wape namba.
For that person that who may like, maybe you want some architectural design or structural design, or you want some construction, or you want some internal finishes. My number is 0721 97 66 22. Engineer George Wanjao.
Yeah. Hakera hau namba.
0721 97 66 22. George Wanjao. Wow. Engineer. I love you.
I love you too.
God bless.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate. May God bless you.
Yes.
Let's hope for the best.
Yes.
The sliver dogs are here already.
Yes.
Yes.
We want to see what they are doing.
They are doing?
Yes.
Okay. Burani weyo ni ajia guturira guku gomena wa Kimende na ntwacokia ngatho we mwiroreri ukoragwo ugitune in nigetha gutwirorera Ngai wa muoyo akurathimage kaingi. Uguo niko maundu makihana guku Kimende, sniffer dogs cikire guku nigetha cikorwo cigiteithiriria aruti a wira aria mari kiri na karagita mwena urio ungi nigetha andu makorwo makioneka kwa ihenya. Ni urakiona Burani urite na bado Aikari a guku uguo mari o guku ni amu ni mehokete ati ni magukorwo makiona endwa ao. Thengio muno makiria ni haritwo njitagwo Triple M Favored. Bye bye, twirigane.
Thank you.
Thank you.